scarred up knees.
Dude, my shins are wrecked, so you have nothing to worry about. Like, you can hardly see your. Okay, your left knee you can tell.
Yeah.
But
I'm not worried about
I
it.
got one on my right.
Alright, what's up guys? So today is our max day between my little brother and I. A little change of scenery, everything's red instead of black. Because we are at Mountainside Fitness here in Queen Creek. Seth's got a buddy here that is gonna let me work out for free, so that was nice for the day. I'm gonna borrow the camera from him. He's gonna get on the hamstring curls. So we're just warming up our knees before we
Wreck 'em.
go start our squats.
My hands.
It's kind of an awkward machine, I'm not gonna lie. Like the leg curl one that I'm used to is a little different.
Yeah, my right hamstring hates these.
Your hamstrings?
My right hamstring.
Oh.
I don't know. I can't even have my feet like straight. Yeah, there we go. That's
Okay, your butt looks good, so. Starting to warm up with the bar. So 135 moves nice and easy. We're gonna see how much our knees allow us to do today. Ooh, tempo squat. Let's go. Nice. Belting up. Just for one. See him get low. Oh yes, baby. That was way lower than mine.
the belt helps so much.
I'm kind of nervous, but we'll see how 315 moves.
2 plates.
I might not get super low, to be honest.
Hey, you know what? It might be better than me, so we'll see.
I just can't believe we went straight here from 275, so I'm not that upset. Come on. Come on.
Oh yeah. That was good depth. Oh yeah.
It's harder than I wish it was. And I don't know if I really got as low as I could have. But it's okay. I think we're still gonna try for 335. The question is, are you ready? Yeah, getting in the right spot.
I'm new to this crap.
Oh, yeah, normally I kind of like have it the other way.
This?
No, like farther over. Yeah, so the lever's on the left. There you go. It's
See, I don't know what I'm doing here.
It's okay, it's his first time. He's a belt virgin. Let's go, boy. Move it.
Yeah, you got way low.
I got like nervous there at the bottom, but then I just had to push my knees out. But
Yeah.
felt good still.
Good. All right, 335's next. All
Just so
right,
you guys know, I can't hear anything other than metal right now.
335. Let's get it. See that depth. Oh, dang. I thought he might have
It
it.
wasn't happening.
Dude, I felt like it was gonna happen though.
No, I tried. I pushed really hard at the bottom, and I was like, "This isn't moving fast enough." And I'm really lightheaded, so.
Sick. Okay, if Seth gets this will definitely be his new PR. And he'll beat me.
I'm nervous.
Let's go, boy. Make sure you brace hard. The bar bending weight. Up, up. Nope.
Damage.
So we tied.
No.
I'm not unhappy about that.
I was there at the bottom. I was like,
Dude, yeah, once you get to the bottom, it's like the weight really hits you. It's like, oh crap. So, okay. On to bench press. Shoulders are freaking capped, dude. So this is kind of where we have to put the camera away, because we're a two-man crew right now. We're trying to bench 2 plates, and we are approaching our absolute max. So wish us luck.
we aren't big boys yet.
I know. One day we'll be able to rep 275 for like 10. Okay?
We'll see though.
We'll see. We're warming up for our heavy deadlifts.
Definitely do feel weaker after having done squats.
Yeah.
Like normally it's easy to crank out 2 plates. A little unbalanced there.
Jeez, how many are you doing?
Freaking easy.
Oh, he wants to do one more. Jeez.
That was a lot harder than last week.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah. Don't pass out, don't pass out.
Jeez.
Dude, you got it though, man.
What?
You got it.
Yeah, but I'm not getting anything more than that. I'm not gonna toast my back.
Woo. Lock it out. Come on, stand up. Yeah.
Ah, dang it.
Hey, you got that next time though. It's okay.
So, we just finished like our actual bench press workout, which is why we couldn't really film it. So now we're on to some other accessory work. Can't really get like a super good stretch.
Squeeze the boulders. Yes, sir. These adjustable? No, they're not.
I'm not used to doing these supported. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
I'm used to standing. That's good.
Yes, sir. Just leave it. Squeeze the chesticles.
I don't like these dumbbells.
But they're iron grip. There we go.
You know, sometimes I just I talk way too fast, and I try to talk way too much on camera. It's really funny because I'm not like that in person. All right, what is up, YouTube? So the video you just watched, or the workout you just watched, was just a little max workout I did with my little brother. A lot of fun, but it was like a month and a half ago. So again, I apologize for the lack of frequency of my uploads and also for posting things that I filmed so long ago. I'm going to try to be a lot better with that the last couple months of the year. I just wanted to give a little update about where I am kind of physically and as far as my health goes. So I did that bulk that you guys were kind of a part of, filmed a few workouts throughout the bulk, and was able to put on a decent amount of size. So January 1st is when I officially started, and I made that first video that I put on YouTube about, you know, my goal to participate in a bodybuilding competition in a few years, just for fun. And I think I was weighing in about 175, maybe even less. I think the second video I'd made in that series, I had dropped a few pounds versus when I had filmed that first weigh-in. And I ended up being about 189 at my heaviest. It wasn't a great weight. I was definitely really, really fluffy in my opinion. and my joints just weren't very happy. I love to play volleyball, as I've mentioned before on the channel. Love to play basketball, so I try to be active, and especially with this most recent cut, I've been, you know, being more and more active. But I think when I was super heavy, you know, upper 180s, and I was trying to play volleyball, it was just a lot for my knees to handle when they've been so used to me jumping at a lighter weight. So I just ended up hurting my knee pretty bad, so had to take it really easy the last couple weeks, or months really, because that was probably about 3 months ago that I was that I hurt my knee this bad. It was back in May, and it's October. 5 months. Sorry. Wow, way longer than 3 months. And so I've had a couple heavy leg days here and there, but every time I've had a heavy leg day, it's really hurt my knee again. So I've just been trying to do rehab work, take it easy. I'm gonna get to a little bit later in the video, but had to take the last week off of training anyways. So that's been helping my knee a lot, just giving it some time to rest and not freak out so much. Mentioning that cut, I started cutting back in June-ish, maybe it was July. So I've been cutting for about 4 or 5 months, just being more conscious of my portions. I'm not controlling anything like crazy, but I've dieted my way back down to about 175. About a week and a half ago I was 175, I guess. My weight has increased a little bit. And that's because I've done this little thing called a blood stem cell donation through BeTheMatch.org. I was lucky enough to match with somebody that needed some stem cells, so part of that process involved me getting some preparatory shots to help my body produce those stem cells so that they can then, you know, harvest them, I guess, through a process similar to dialysis. So that was on Monday, so 4 or 5 days prior to Monday I was getting shots, and it just made my bones ache really bad. A lot of neck and back pain, and just overall kind of felt really tired. So they suggested that I take it super easy, don't do anything like super crazy physical activity. So I did take the gym off completely for I think 5 days straight, which was a lot for me. And then I kind of got back in the day after donation. I did some light cardio, and then I did a little bit of arms and like light cardio the day after that. And today is Thursday, so 3 days after my donation. I didn't do anything today because work was super busy. Tomorrow should be my first day back at the gym with like heavy compound movements, kind of really getting back into the full strength of things. And so I think the lack of training and also the lack of diet over the weekend made me gain a little bit of weight really fast, as well as the medical procedure. So I was back up to like 180, 181, and then I weighed myself this morning, and just 2 or 3 days after donation I was 178. So I'm not worried about the weight coming off very hard again. I think I'm going to try to diet down to 170. If my weight gets super stubborn and like I feel like I have to start cutting my portions back or upping my cardio a lot, I'm probably just gonna stop there. I don't have a competition or anything that I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to get super lean. I just want to see some abs, because it's been a long time since I've been able to see some abs. So I'm working on that, but yeah, we'll just keep you posted on the physique stuff. I'm just really happy with the progress that I have made. I'm going to attach a little bit of what I would like to believe is a cinematic montage at the end of this video. I spent an hour and a half recording some stuff while I was washing my dirt bike, because I just got that back. So my buddies and I do an annual trip to Moab every year. I filmed a lot last year, didn't make anything with it. Wasn't super happy with some of the footage, and I was just using my iPhone. So this year I want to change that. I would honestly love it if I could make it like a multi-part video, just because it's going to be like 2 different full days of riding and probably 2 other half days of riding. Half day when we get to Moab and a half day before we leave Moab. And I have the A7 III, so I would love to be able to use that and get a lot better shots, kind of show just how much fun we get to have, and the group of guys I get to hang out with is awesome. So I can't promote them as human beings enough. So in preparation for that, I finally got the bike back, and I'm also working on just some maintenance stuff, some rebuilding of brakes, some brake calipers, and just oil change, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll probably try to make another video of that, and also kind of attach it to a workout that I hope to film soon. So I hope the frequency of the uploads is going to step it up a little bit the next few months. I would love to be able to hit 12 uploads this year. I think I'm only at like 5 or 6, so that means I've done half of the work that I need to do, and there's only 2.5 months left in the year. But it is what it is. I'm just trying to get better, and I don't want to upload garbage material or content, but at the end of the day, I just need to practice. I need to push myself to be okay with it not being perfect or not being like some of the big YouTubers that have been doing this for years. I have one lens, I have one camera, and I have not edited a ton, so I'm just trying to make it. Appreciate your guys' support. Follow me on Instagram at Nate_Fenn, and enjoy this little montage.